December 24th, guy, I just get up. Well, I'm not gonna get up yet, but I'm awake since 5 o'clock, and time check it is 6:33 in the morning. Yeah, the TV is on, and I get up. I just gonna sit here, and I have a stomach pain. So anyway, guys, good morning. Happy this 24th of December, and oh my god, guys, tomorrow is Christmas, and tonight is Christmas Eve. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I let the dog out, but Misty kind of afraid to go out because it's raining. Misty, you have to pee. Oh my god. She doesn't want to get wet. It's a weird dog. It's already 7:55, and yeah, it's breakfast time. And last night I forgot to close the window. I'm watching Simple Race as well, and I was watching Indigo Diday, and I'm watching Mile Tumbongera. But you guys, I don't comment because you know I watch and then I do something and then I watch again and do something. You know, it's just like, I'm sorry if I haven't comment, but I do watch your videos, guys. I do. And also to Pinky Rice Girl, which is like Imafi Rice now. You know, I watch a lot of videos. So I just called my family, and I'm gonna call them later on when it's come to New Year. Oh, New Year. I will call them later on too. 12 o'clock over there. I'm gonna call them. Oh my god. Ba't napatay ang bulaklak, guys? Ito, guys. O, kailangan ko na ng ano. Ay, napatay na sila, guys. Wa na. I need to bring this outside. Please, wag kang mamatay. Marami ng mga ano. There's a lot of leaves that falling down. Look, I picked it. Ay, gee. I like this tree. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna find a way not to. I'm gonna find a way to put this somewhere. I will be right back. They made me laugh. These two dogs. They're playing to each other. They're playing to each other and kind of like sliding. It's so funny. I plan to go shower this morning, but the first thing I did is clearing up because I'm not done what I did last night or yesterday. So, you know, shut the slide off because it's a waste of electric. I'm just listening music, and I decided I'm gonna take shower later on. I'm just gonna start cutting some garlic because tomorrow I'm going to use a lot of garlic, and so I decided to just cut garlic, and I'm going to get the mushroom with me. You guys stay over there, huh? No, stay over there. Stay. So I'm in the basement to get the and I'm going to take the meat out. It's still frozen, guys. You know what I'm going to do? I'll bring this to the living room. Yeah, it's still frozen. This is not good. It needs to be defrost. So I'm gonna bring this out. The lamb and the roast beef. It's still hard. And this is need to be unfrozen already because tomorrow we're going to cook this. So yeah, okay, close. Okay, right here, mushroom. It's too big mushroom. This is expensive, guys. It's $5 each. This big thing, $5. But you know, Bella mushroom is not cheap. So I'm gonna cook this today and put it in the refrigerator. There it is. And I need strainer because I have to wash that before. I'm cooking mushroom, and I can't put the whole mushroom here because it's a lot. I'm going to wait until it's like get how do you call that, Tony Canilla. After the mushroom, I'm going to make the, not even showered yet. I'm gonna shower later, guys, because you know I want to start this and finish, and later on I just like relax. Excuse me. After this one, I'm gonna make some macaroni salad, and that's really it. And then I have to check the meat in the laundry area because I want it really like not frozen, because tomorrow I want, especially the roast beef, it's really not good if the meat is frozen, like it's cooked different. So
my mother is a mad scientist. Nice to meet you.
right now I am making the I'm done cutting the stuff for macaroni salad, so now I'm boiling the pasta. Oh, I'm not even showered. I just have to cook, guys. I really have to cook and then take care of shower later on. I'm just going to plug this thing because it's keep lobating to me. Lobating. It's a big pasta bowl. And thing next is this one. Oh yeah, here the mix of onion and green bell pepper, olives, and carrots and celery. So this is all together here. This is macaroni salad, mayonnaise. And this one, there's very little of this. Lemon. Just very little of that too. A little bit of vinegar, very little. And then ground pepper. And then add more mayo. The juice of olives, very little, guys. Just very little. And then mixed it.
Is Jack Frost.
Garlic powder. Granulated onion. It's time for me to have lunch. It's already 1:16. And yeah, lunch time, guys. Non-stop cooking. So right now I am making some deviled egg. Deviled egg. I'm done with the deviled egg, mushrooms, macaroni salad. So now it's time for the broccoli rub. Tomorrow, I'm gonna make just a box thing. This is really good. A box roasted garlic, mashed potato. This is really good, guys. If you wanna try this, we use this one. Everybody loves it because it's very garlicky. Yeah.
I think that when you're your best self, you feel confident who you are, and you're not hiding behind anything. And I think everybody should like our company. We need to make sure we're hearing the voices of those who are back in the front lines.
A lot of garlic.
Smile that Jeff deserves to win the competition. What was Scott? Scott was good. That's exceedingly generous. I can't believe it has been a chance that I need in my life. I want to see you continue to help. I'm going to do this connection. I have college money. It gives me. This is really awesome. You also shared with me some personal struggles that you have. I think today marks the beginning.
No, I take it.
Having the automatic things. So we use what we call our whip, and then you're just gonna stir your yogurt up to their. Yeah, it's not like I deal with it, but you never want to go through that. Like, I can't even explain that pain, like of having to watch your mom, like but I.
Hi guys, I am done with my broccoli rub. Yeah. It's not a lot. It looks big, but it's not really that deep. Look, there's a lot of space here. But at least there is some broccoli rub. Surprise, surprise! I'm still not showering. Yeah, I'm stink. It's already 8 o'clock and I think I can't do this. I have to lie down just finished doing stuff and this is crazy. What can I tell you? Tommy doesn't call me yet. Well, he called me a while ago. He's out from work. That was 5 something, almost 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. We'll try to vlog later, guys, when the cats are here, when Tommy get hurt. Yeah, I think I am done for now. Dog. Where are the dogs? Well, I know it stink over here now. I know it stink.